Hello guys, if you are a new freelancer in Fiverr.com, then this video for you, and exactly you are come the right place. And please watch this video until the end. I'm going to show you 10 words which you should not mention in Fiverr.com because they are very strict about their rules, and if they get any simple reason, then they will suspend you. And they actually did this very uh, large number, and they suspends every year lots of freelancer because simple reasons. So you have must avoid these words in Fiverr.com. So guys, I'm going to explain everything. Please keep watching. Here is Skype. So this is first words you should not mention in Fiverr.com because they when see any contact information, that means Skype is a messenger platform, and if you mention this, that means you are want to actually contact the client with Skype. So they will ban you immediately, and no matter who you are. If you have a top-rated freelancer, they don't care about this because they are very strict about rule. They don't want to go their client outside of Fiverr. So you must avoid this word Skype. And email, this is also a contact information, so you must avoid this word email as well. And money, so you don't have to talk about money related things because you are already posted your gigs about your price, so you don't have to talk about money. And never mention 5 star because they are don't allow to ask client to give you 5 star review and good review. So I will actually 5 star and good review. And here you see another word. This is very simple, but this is very effective. You don't have to mention this because if you once mention outside of Fiverr, they immediately ban you because lots of guys actually complain. And I have seen lots of Facebook groups, they are talking about, they talked about outside of Fiverr and they ban it. So you must avoid this word. And payment and PayPal, so I already mentioned before about money, so you have to as well avoid this word pay and payment because they are not want to pay outside of Fiverr. So you have must actually avoid this word. And PayPal, Payoneer, and Skill, others money transfer platform, because this is actually direct indicate you are want to transfer money without Fiverr, because this is another platform, PayPal. So you must avoid this word as well. And the number 8 word, this is another freelancing platform, Upwork, called Upwork. So this is very popular platform. So when you use this word in your Fiverr.com Upwork, they will banned you. I have give you the guarantee because they don't actually want you go you bring this customer client in Upwork platform because they are very strict. I actually have mentioned. So if you don't want to Bennett, then please avoid this word. And good review and Facebook and social media, because you never mention about contact information because they are very strict. They are very strict because they every year suspend many of account, even top rated account, level 2 seller, level 1 seller. They don't care who you are, because if they just get simple any reason to suspend you, they will suspend you. And if they want suspend you, you cannot reactive your account because they don't allow. They want to clean their platform, and they don't want to bring you customer outside of Fiverr.com. So guys, please if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe my channel. I will upload video again and again about Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com to how to earn money, and lots of things about e-commerce and Facebook ads, Google ads. So guys, if you interested in this related niche, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this.